Hello friends, I have a VPS here running Apache and it's opening a default. It's actually a simple page that I have just created. You can see here, and I have one problem that when I restart my VPS or server, the Apache is not auto start. So I had to again log in and start Apache manually. So in this tutorial we are going to see how we can auto start HTTP when the server reboots or boot. Okay, so let's check the status of HTTP using command system ctl status HTTP, and you can see here that it's running. Okay, but if I reboot my VPS, so let me reboot this one. Okay, so it's rebooting, and now if I refresh my website, this will not load. Okay, so it's rebooting. So let us wait for a few seconds for the server to reboot, and let me refresh my website once again. It's not opening. Okay, now let me log in to my VPS. So my VPS IP and login as root, enter password, and as you can see that VPS is running, but my website is not opening because HTTP on the server is not running. So let us check the status of HTTP. So in command system ctl status HTTP, and you see that this is not running. So how we can enable this on auto start? So if you see here this loaded, and you will see that the status is disabled. So this means that this will not auto start when the server reboots. Okay, so how we can enable this one? So we can enable this one using command system ctl enable httpd. Okay, now let's check the status of http now. So system ctl status httpd, and now you will see that this is now enabled. Okay, so let me start http. So use command system ctl start httpd, and this will start httpd. Now if I refresh my website, this will open. And now let me reboot my VPS to see if HTTP is auto starting on reboot. So reboot, and now my VPS is rebooting. Let us wait for a few seconds. So now you can see, right, it's not loading. Okay, so I think this my website is working now. You can see that this is working, and I've just rebooted the VPS, but still my website is open. So this is how you can auto start HTTP or Apache on a server when the server reboots. And one thing, this was the command that I've used is valid on a CentOs 7 or 8 server only. But you can follow the same method, that system ctl enable and the service name for other services also to enable or disable. So let me show you how we can disable. For some reason, if you want to disable this auto start, so how we can do this one? So let me log in again to my VPS as root, and to disable we have to use command systemctl disable, and the service name, in my case this is httpd, so I will just disable. So this will disable the service from auto start. Thank you.